stick around through about the first half of your day. Let's take dealing with temperatures running below average the rest of the week. 77 for the high today. Normal high this time of year should be at 78 degrees, so just a little below average. I'm sure you didn't notice that today. But currently we're anywhere from the 80s in Ontario to 77 degrees in Corona. Along the coast, we've got temperatures into the 60s, 77 degrees in Chatsworth, Valencia at 77, 76 in Sunland, and temperatures into the mid-70s in Hollywood. The winds aren't too bad, but the winds will be strengthening over the next few days. In fact, by about Wednesday, I think we will be dealing with some wind advisories here in Southern California. We've shifted now to that onshore flow, that ridge of high pressure that brought us the heat last week into the weekend, now shifting off to the east. And with this onshore flow, that's what's bringing in the low clouds and the fog at night and in the morning hours. As this next area of low pressure approaches the central coast, we will see that marine layer deepen even further and more clouds start to roll in. What that's also going to do is bring us in some windy and continue to cool down the rest of the week. We're not looking at a dramatic cool down, just comfortable conditions for your work week. Out on the waters tomorrow, morning fog, variable winds just right around 10 knots. Surf will be 2 to 4 feet, and because of that latest storm system, surf and swells picking up out of the west will be 4 to 6 feet. Look at your 5-day forecast. We'll start with the downtown. From the mid-70s downtown, LAX into the 60s. You get to San Bernardino, we're still into the low 90s, but we are looking at a much cooler work week. We will take a look at that 5-day forecast coming up. Paul, Pat, back to you.